Yo, what up you guys? And I know it's bright at night. It's because I am doing some filming with this pretty cool light that has all these different nodes with it. Here, I could probably show you guys if it's not too bright. It's dope. Look at all the colors. Shit coming out hella nice, hella dope. This camera does really good at night. Just go to Panda's IG and you'll see some of these photos. As you can see, Panda looks hella different right now. I'm not trying to show it so that way you guys can at least watch this vlog. I'm doing this quick little intro because most of the footage got deleted for the vlog of me installing this wing. The wing came out pretty dope. You know, some of you might have seen it, might not, but you guys probably haven't seen it until I released this video right here. Check it out and see what Panda and I have been up to. My terabyte got destroyed, so I lost at least about 2 years worth of music, and also the most current and recent vlogs on Panda's updates. So much has happened, like I got in a motorcycle accident and all this other stuff. So I'm gonna continue with some of the footage I did find, update you guys probably at the end of it or maybe in the next vlog. So enjoy this vlog. Later. Yo, what up? Here at Juan's shop. R.I.P. doing it. The homie Chris putting some work in. Yeah. Not gonna show too much of his car. I go on his channel. But today, like I said, I really didn't plan on vlogging, but it's so many freaking cars here. We got Lin here, we got my car, and we have a right side drive 14, man. This thing is beast. We just put all the kit inside. This thing is fully and heavily modded. Got Juan's brother here, still working at the shop doing this thing. We got a lot of activity going on here today. And what I mean about not really planning on vlogging, I just came here to honestly paint my front bumper because Panda definitely needs some work, and this chip right here is really bothering me. The primer that I used wasn't good, so I wanted to use this promoter that I used for this, and they have not cracked, chipped, nothing. It's already been on the car for like over 4 months or so. So I'm gonna do that to the whole front bumper. And I moved to my new place, so now like the sprinklers wore off the crappy paint job I did to my hood, so I'm just gonna touch it up because I am getting a completely brand new hood.
Hey!
Oh, Lynn, what's up?
What's up, what's up?
And David, of course.
Yes!
Yeah.
What up?
What up? Yeah, it's all
I wasn't
good.
planning on vlogging, but I hardly have Chris around, and
Gang,
you guys
gang! Gang,
are all
gang!
here.
I can buy!
We got a whole new bumper, you guys. A carbon fiber lip.
Like, so is that from the inside?
From the inside, yeah.
And this thing's nice.
You sure?
Where's it at? Oh, there it is. These wheels are massive, man. Yeah, it's way better. Just stop. Yeah. Oh, you heard? Oh, right there. Just a little bit. So I got gloss black paint all right here for the bumper, because remember inside technically it's 2 cans instead of 1. So this is for the bumper. These 2 are possibly for the hood. Hopefully I have some left over here. Spencer then hooked me up with some 2K clear. He went and picked this up for me, so this is only for the bumper. And I got 2 more cans of this stuff for the thing I've been trying to paint the most. Right there. For some of you guys trying to hate on me for having spacers in the rear, because mine's are what, 3-inch? What about this guy? What about this guy right here? See that big giant spacer right there? I mean, if you buy high quality stuff, I mean, it's gonna do its job. And if you're not going tremendously ham on the car, I think you'll do fine. Just make sure you check periodically on your lug nuts, bolts, at least I would say, depending on how much you drive your car, if you drive your car a lot, I'll say at least 3 to 4 times within that month. You have to double check on everything. I mean, gaskets, bolts, all that stuff. But and that's how you just stick with the car, but don't baby the car either. It's kind of cars need their weird balance, you know. And that's how my car has been doing really good. I just changed all the gaskets not too long ago, and it's been a while since I filmed because Panda got hit, you guys. Well, Panda got hit, you guys, and that's man, that was like 2 weeks of just crap, and I'm kind of tired of dealing with it. So let's just show the damage real quick before I clean it up myself. Right here, you guys, on the back. Before I even installed this wing, oh, I forgot to tell you guys, I already put these wires here, and they stopped the wing from, look, doesn't even budge, bro. So this helped. This is the idea of Spencer's, and I went and got the supplies. Shit came out dope. So back to this. So the motorcycle fell and the engine slid, hit here, warped my bumper. So I'm getting a completely new bumper. It has cracks, and then just from little warps and little battle scars because people parked too close to my car. Tail lights, cracked it. Not only that, it's just coming apart. And you can see, yeah, it's definitely coming apart. So that really frustrates the shit out of me because these been discontinued for over like 6 to 7 years, and I can never find these lights ever again. So I'm gonna order a new set of tail lights, you guys. With the new set of tail lights, I'm going to tint those. Probably put them on temporarily, but I'm gonna take off the glass from those and put them on here just to replace it. I might replace just the whole set itself, but right now I'm still brainstorming on what to do with the situation. And of course, the front part of the motorcycle tire, he hit here, and if you notice, my spikes are gone. The spikes, the front tire was going this way while the car is spinning this way, and the tire hit. If I did not have those spikes on the car, this would have been demolished. Those little tiny spikes saved my car, so of course I'm gonna rep them on any car I have from now on. I ordered a new set, so they are here, but oh my god, airplane! Out of here, man. Before I was really interrupted, so the motorcycle's front tires hit right here, tore out the spikes, so the threading inside are completely gone, so I can never put the spikes back on. And you can see it burned my rim. It burned it all the way around, bro. My wheels. Oh my god, Panda shoes. Oh no. I took it off right here. So there is saving this. All I have to do is polish it. It's not bent, it's not cracked, it's not dented. The spikes actually saved everything here. I don't know if the shock or the handles for the front wheel hit right here. And of course, no, cracked the kit, bro. Cracked it. So I wasn't really big about like trying to get money or anything like that from him, because it was pitch black dark. And I told him, I'll go ahead and hold on to your insurance. In the morning, I'll let you know what type of damages have been done. And you know, the guy was all right. I helped him up and he went home. Comes to find out, he gave me false car insurance. So there's that. And yeah, it's been about like 3 weeks. And I didn't get his license plate. That was my fault. But then again, I'm like, do I really want to go through the stress? Because I can get the bumper, I can get the lights, I already have the new spikes, the wheel's fine. Juan right here can fix the kit, no problem. But it's just frustrating, you know, that I have to fix somebody else's damages onto something I worked so hard for. But I'm like, I'm just glad everyone's okay, and I'm just gonna go ahead and fix this myself. If I find the guy again, if I see his license plate, I'll send him the bill or something, but it's not that expensive. But today, since we're like so busy here today, and I helped Juan with previous cars before everyone else showed up, I'm just gonna go ahead and just only do the bumper in the hood before we close shop and go from there. So let me see what these guys are up to, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Damn! Those cars, look at this. She got that carbon fiber design, looks hard. You guys think I should do some type of design on Panda? Because I do have some ideas. Next, this car right here, that humming over here. Oh, those outskis.
What up, man?
It's hard. Yo, what up, you guys? It is the next day. Oh God, the sun's bright. I'm here at Juan's. Carlos! Carlos! Yeah, they're moving cars, so they're closing up the shop already. I just got off work, but I'm here to pick up the lights. Yeah, this video is all over the place. If I didn't have that family emergency, a week had gone by, and I would have already painted or touched up some of the things I want to paint it on Panda. But he's pulling in the last car, this last little spot. On. It's hella close. Oh, Juan got parking skills. Look how close this shit is. Like, what the heck? I don't know if I should show you guys when I see him. I'll probably show you guys later. Damn, you guys, the lights are done. Ooh, yeah. I'm gonna continue this later because the lights do look dope. I don't know if I'm gonna put them on tonight. I still gotta figure out some of the wiring, and to show you guys this probably at the end of this video because these are dope. See you guys later. And I also got my new spikes in, so that way I am going to install the new spikes today. Also clean or polish this ram and restore it a little bit. I will be ordering another bumper soon, and as far as these lights, I will keep them. I just gotta fix this crack and actually get this like glued properly. But I'm gonna clean out my trunk so that way I can install these lights right here. Okay, people, I had to go to the storage and get my old light set up because behind it had the harness, and I took the light harnesses out. These harnesses from these headlight or tail lights, the harness from this tail light, they're kind of like built-in LED, and I needed a blinker, so I had to go back to the old harness setup for these lights to work. And I mean, like, damn, bro, these shits look dope. I'm gonna have to do another video at night to show you what they look like, but what they look like during the day, this is what they look like. Things are so shiny, bro, like no matter what you're gonna see me in it. It looks pretty nice. Helps me stop thinking about the motorcycle crash. But yeah, let me try it from this angle. It almost looks like not a difference, and I also put the weather stripping inside so it hides some of the gaps and imperfections. This one didn't need weather stripping, but looks dope. If you guys made it to the end of this video, I'm gonna reward you guys with a cinematic, and that'll be the next clip. Thank you guys for sticking with me for this long. I know this video was all over the place. I just want to update you on Panda because I haven't been posting in a minute because of that car accident. Next up, I will be installing a new bumper and possibly finally an exhaust. Damn, that's low. Nice. Because I have a lot of rock chips and they're bothering me a lot. So yeah, before we close up shop, I'm just gonna finish this and I'll see you guys in the cinematic. And back to me again. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I'm gonna do a quick little cinematic with the wing using the Sony camera right here and I hope you guys enjoy. See you on the next vlog. Peace out.
Bitches make me